Have you ever wished you didn't have to carry a bulky phone everywhere you went? Or that you could have all you needed within reach? IBand is just that solution. It is the first ever smart wristband that connects wirelessly to your network cell service. It projects your iPhone screen onto your forearm and allows you to do everything that you could do on a smartphone on your wrist. The wristband comes in many fashionable styles, colors, and models, so that it always looks great when you put it on. The IBand has two built-in 4K cameras and HD microphones, which allows for FaceTime calls, voice commands, pictures, video recording, and many more options. The new design combines the smartphone and smartwatches technology together, which allows you to access all you need in one place. And with its large projected screen on your wrist, it allows for easy navigation compared to the difficult smartwatch navigation. IBand is the future for smartphones. Are you ready?